Merry Christmas, this is going to be the best Jingle Bells auto-tune tutorial. So let's get stuck straight in. First thing I'm going to do in Adobe Audition is open up the effects menu, go to Generate and Speech, and you can select one of your computer's voices, whichever is your favorite. I quite like actually Moira, the English-Irish voice. Let's give this a go. So I've already typed in jingle bells, jingle all the way. Putting full stops everywhere where there's a note change. So we get a nice kind of bit of silence, which we're going to need later on. So click OK. And then the best auto-tune plugin that I found is from a company called Waves Audio. Make great plugins. If you want to get any plugin they make at a discount, I highly recommend you go to mrc.fm/waves. Go on, it's Christmas. Treat yourself. mrc.fm/waves. So I'm going to show you the Waves Tune LT plugin, Waves Tune Lite. You can also get the bells and whistles one, which is just Waves Tune, but Waves Tune Lite will be enough for this. So select all, clear the selection. First you play the audio data in.
Jingle bells, jingle jingle all the way.
Okay, perfect. It's recorded the data absolutely perfectly. I'll use the magnifying glass to zoom in here. And then I'm just going to put all of these onto the same note, and I'll speed this up so it takes less time. Okay, there we go. Everything is now on the same note, so we should have a rather monotone Moira, the AI voice.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Going a little bit alien there, if you ask me. That's not really what we want for Christmas, so let's tidy this up. First of all, selecting all, changing the speed down to 0, no transition to 0.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Okay, perfect. And then we'll select the correct notes now. So we're starting off on E here, and then we're going jingle jingle all. That's going up. So jingle
bells, jingle bells.
So we want the jingle bells.
Jingle.
That's going up to G.
Jingle bells, jingle.
And then down to C. And then to D, just checking the notes on my dual screen there, and then back to E. So we get something like this.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Okay, a little unnatural, so once we've applied the auto-tune, we'll hop into the multitrack. Let's put this into my downloads folder, click choose for that, and we'll call this one Jingle Bells. I actually use my Adobe Audition presets here just to beef up her voice a little bit. That won't hurt.
Jingle bells.
Sounding nice. I'm actually going to go into advanced mode and add on a little bit of, let's see here, on the voice effects, we'll add a little bit of studio reverb.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
And then we can obviously just cut out some of those awkward silences there at the end to make it a little more natural. So something like this.
Jingle all the way. Jingle all the way. Jingle all the way. Jingle all the way. Jingle all the way.
Okay, a little unnatural at the end, the way Moira has spoken it, but you get something that sounds like this using auto-tune, a bit of reverb, using some EQ and compression to pull the voice out a little bit more, get a funky beat, and you can make a remix of this.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
And that's how you get a computer voice, or really any voice, it could be your own voice to sing. And this is very much how they do the smart speaker stuff. So the Alexa and Google Home, whenever you ask it to sing, essentially it's using some really cool back-end auto-tune technology to make that AI voice sing. Well, I really hope you enjoy remixing your own voice or your own Google Assistant or any other computer-generated voice on this Christmas day. Have a really great Christmas and enjoy.